What's up, guys? This is just a quick video on the Manton Pushrods I got for the heads I'm doing. I'm going to compare them with the stock Pushrods. Quick video on that, and just to give you an update on where the truck's going right in here. Got it all set up. All right, let's whip the Pushrods out. What's up, guys? Just going through my part list, making sure I have everything. I'm starting the head removal next Saturday, and today's just kind of prepping, doing some work in my barn here, cleaning. But I got the Manton Pushrods right here from Manton. You know, I'm just gonna compare them to the stock Pushrods off the 5.7 Hemi. These are beefy, they're a little heavier. This is what I'm putting in with the BES ported heads from HHP, High Horse Performance. These are stock. These are your stock Pushrods that come in the 5.7 VVT. These Manton Pushrods are a little bit thicker. They have a .083 wall, ball to ball, with the hole for the oil to shoot through. 5/16, just like the stock ones. But these are just thicker wall, and just the weight difference alone, these things are like, you could throw these across the street. These things, they're beefy. So these is what's going in to the engine when we get the heads off. I am going to take the lifters out when I have the heads off, just to check them and maybe do an HPT cam review. Obviously the cam will still be in the engine. I'm not taking that out, but I'll take the lifters out at least and inspect those, and also inspect the Pushrods that came with the HPT kit from Moe's. These are a tiny bit shorter to get rid of some preload because the heads are decked. And I got everything in here. I got my head gaskets. I got a new throttle body gasket. I got a I am putting the 6.4 truck intake in, manifold. So I got new gaskets for that. SRV harness. I did get a new Malodin thermostat, the 160, 16406 for my truck, because I've taken the other thermostat out a few times and I just don't want to risk it closing up on me, so I got a new one. I got the new 6619 spark plugs. These are one step colder. Putting those in. New head bolts. I got OEM head bolts. Recommended by everybody, because obviously you get what you pay for. These are the Mopar head bolts I got from the dealer, a couple $100, just under a couple $100 actually. And I got these ones from Rock Auto. These were only 26 bucks, and that kind of scares me. I did take them out there. They feel the same. I just don't want to risk it. Apex does make head bolts for a lot of big company manufacturers, but I am going with OEM because I don't want to mess around. That toilet paper's there because I got a runny nose. I'm not taking it, I'm not pooping, so don't get carried away. I'm just gonna keep those though, or maybe somebody needs them, I'll give them away, but I am gonna use the OEM. So I have everything I need for this little operation next Saturday. I do have to run out and get a few tools here and there, but we're ready. So that's that. I got the truck in. I just wired a bunch of outlets on these posts too. I got them on all 4 posts. Just finished that up. That way I can get some lighting. One over there, one over there. I got engine bay lights I hung up vertically. Little LED lights from Home Depot for like 20 bucks. So I got plenty of light going onto the engine when I'm working on it. Plenty of light. And I got more lights too I can set up on tripods and stuff, but nice and lit up. Plenty of room to work. This room is about just under 1,000 square feet down here. Here you go. You can see it. It's kind of under construction right now, but got plenty of room, plenty of time to do this, get it out, and then start building walls on the outsides. Blue board the ceiling, blue board the walls. And it'll be done down here. But she fits nice. Got plenty of room between the door. This is a back your butt in garage. This will be working, you know what I mean? Tools are over there, truck's there. Have a bench over here to set everything up. Tables, foldable tables. I might do a video on the third brake light because mine's full of water. full of water. Yeah, that's gonna be the death of me, man. Sick of that stinker thing. Anyway, next video will either be the third brake light, fixing that again. There's no water coming in my bay, there's water getting inside the housing. And I have another one over near my extra parts over here somewhere. Yeah, right there. There's the original one I had. But next video, if it ain't the third brake light, it will be dismantling the heads off the truck. Stay tuned. Later.